Okay, to install Linapple 2, the Apple II emulator in Ubuntu 24.04, we're going to open a terminal and load in some dependencies. I will have this command in the description. Okay, next, cd into the folder where the file you downloaded from SourceForge is there. That link is in the description. And type tar xjf and the name of the file that was downloaded. Then cd into the new directory /src. And in that directory, we're going to type make. When that's done, we're going to type sudo make install. Okay, to get the program running, just type Linapple in the command prompt, and Linapple 2 is now running. Press F1 to get to the help screen. And here you can see F3 and F4 are for loading disks. So if I press F3, it doesn't show any disks because the disk files you download need to go to /user/local/linapple/images. So after I load those up, I'll press F3 and there's my files. Use the arrow key to highlight the file into disk 1. Then press F4, highlight the file, press enter. And then press F2 to reset, and it will load disk 1. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.